Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam.
Saya perwakilan dari kelompok 5 yang beranggotakan Mila Aska Aulia, Mita Pratiwi, Surya Saputra. Kami di sini akan mempresentasikan tugas bahasa Inggris, yaitu menganalisa lagu dengan judul 2002 Anomaly. Langsung ke penjelasannya saja. Di sini kami menemukan kosakata tentang noun, yaitu I will always remember. Explanation: the word I is a pronoun because is a singular first person pronoun. Dan kedua, the word always is a adverb because is so the adverb of time. Lirik kedua, the day you kissing my lips. Kami di sini menemukan kosakata you. The word you is a pronoun because use the second person pronoun. Lirik ketiga, at further explanation, the word as is a conjunction because can connect to clauses that are stated as comparison. Yang kedua, the word feather is a noun because its concrete noun can be filled from the five section. Dan lirik keempat, and it went just like this. Explanation: the word and is a conjunction because the word and is coordinating conjunction with percussion to connect to grammatical forms. Namely, sensation. Yang kedua, the word it is a pronoun because the word it a pronoun is generally used to relate noun or noun that has been previously mentioned. Yang kelima, no is never be better. Example, the word never is a adverb because the word never is used to inform about the degree of frequency someone does something. Yang kedua, the word better is adverb because the word better is used to clarify the words that is known. Yang keenam, then the summer of 2002. Itu nggak ada penjelasan, maksudnya nggak ada kata noun atau sebagainya. Dan lirik ke-7, we were only 11. Example, the word who is a interjection because the word who is used to example speaking. Yang ketiga, the word we is a pronoun because is first person pronoun. Yang ketiga, the word only is of adverb because the word only indicates that the in only yes or 11 years. Yang ke lirik ke 8, but I think like grow up. Example, the word but is a conjunction because the word but connects equal. Yang ke 9, like we are in the present where. Example, the word we is a pronoun because the word we is plural first person pronouns. Yang kedua itu the word in is a adverb because the word in is a adverb of time.
Saya akan melanjutkan dari Mita Pratiwi. Drinking from plastic cups. The word drinking is a verb because the word drinking is an intransitive verb, a verb that needs a complement. Kedua, the word plastic cups is a noun because the word plastic cups is a form with the criteria it can be seen or touched, and the word plastic cups is identified as a concrete noun. Singing love is forever and ever. Explanation: the word singing is a verb because the word singing is an intransitive verb and is often identified as a verb that no one or what can follow. The word and is a conjunction because the word and is coordination conjunction which function to connect two grammatical forms, namely word by word. Well, I guess that was true. Explanation: the word well is an interjection because the word well is a word that aims to express someone's emotion. The word I is a pronoun because the word I is a singular first-person pronoun. Dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods. Explanation: the word dancing is a verb because the word dancing is expressed as an action. The word on is an adverb because the word on includes auxiliary words that provide additional information about a location or place and be identified as adverb of place. The word hood is a noun because the word hood is an object that has a form, and the word hood is identified as concrete noun. On a old Mustang where we sang. Explanation: the word on is a preposition because the word on is a description of the words that specify location of time on time. The word old is an adjective because the word old describes a Mustang. The word Mustang is a noun because the word Mustang is a proper noun which always starts with a capital letter and refers to specific names of cars. The word where is an adverb because the word where is included in the adverb of place. Can tell you where something happened. Songs with all our childhood friends. Explanation: the word all is an adverb because the word all 5 cents. And it went like this, say. Explanation. The word and is conjunction because the word and is conjunction which connects things that are equivalent or can be called compound conjunction. The word it is a pronoun because the word it is pronoun is generally used to realize noun or noun that has been previously mentioned. Oops, I got 99 problems singing bye bye bye. Explanation. The word oops is an interjection because the word oops is denotes accidentally doing something. The word I is a pronoun because the word I is a singular first person pronoun. The word singing is a verb because the word singing is expressed as an action. Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride with me. Explanation. The word you is a pronoun because the word you is used the second person pronoun. The word go is a adverb because the word go is expressed as an action. The word and is a conjunction because the word and is conjunction which connects things that are equivalent or can be called compound conjunction. Selanjutnya akan dibacakan oleh Surya Saputra.
Saya akan melanjutkan lirik lagu dari Mila Ascaulia. Lirik pertama. Better hit me baby one more time. Explanation. The word better is a adverb because the word better is asked to clarify the word that is known. Yang kedua, the word hit is verb because the word hit is expressed as an action. Lirik kedua, paint a picture for you and me. Explanation. The word for is a adverb because the word for us to connect the some two grammatical form. Yang kedua, the word you is a pronoun because the word you is as the second person pronoun. Yang ketiga, the word and is a conjunction because the word and is conjunction which connect things that are equivalent or can be called compound conjunction. Lirik ketiga, on the day when we were young. Explanation. The word on is a adverb because the word on includes auxiliary words that provide additional information about a location or place and be identified as adverb of place. Yang kedua, the word when is a conjunction because the word when this includes the time conjunction as in time clause in which an action occurs before another action occurs. Yang ketiga, the word is pronoun because the word we is plural first person pronoun. Lirik ketiga, singing at the top of both our lungs. Explanation. Pertama, the word singing is a verb because the word singing is an intransitive verb and is often identified as a verb that no one or what can follow. Yang kedua, the word at is preposition because describe a more specific place and time. At is asked to describe a place. Yang ketiga, the word but is a adverb because the word but as a pronoun that refer to the two things mentioned earlier. Yang keempat, the word or is pronoun because the word or is a scan of words that can be asked to express on an ownership by us of something that is clear or unclear. Lirik kelima. No. We are the covers. Explanation. The word no is a adverb because the word no is included in the adverb of the time which refers to when something happened. Lirik ke-6. Fast forward to 18. Explanation. The word fast is an adjective because the word fast describes the act that the reader thinks it very fast. Lirik ke-7. We are more than lovers. Explanation. Pertama, the word we is pronoun because the word we is plural first person pronouns. Yang kedua, the word more is a adverb because the word more because is as to make comparison atau comparative between two different things. Lirik ke-8. Yeah, we are all we need. Explanation. Pertama, the word yeah is interjection because the word yeah denotes excitement when doing something. Yang kedua, the word we is pronoun because the word we is plural first person pronoun. Yang ketiga, the word all is a adverb because the word all serves a pronoun and refers to the situation in general. Yang keempat, the word we is pronoun because the word we is plural first person pronoun. Yang kelima, the word need a adjective because the word need describes the word we which include in a pronoun. Lirik ke-9. When we're holding each other. Explanation. The word when is a conjunction because the word when is include the time conjunction as in time clause in which an action occurs before another action occurs. Lirik yang terakhir, I'm taken back to 2002. Explanation. The word I'm is a pronoun because the word I'm function as a subject for subjects such as humans, animal, and object. Yang kedua, the word take is adverb because the word taken is expressed as action. Yang ketiga, the word black is adverb because the word black as to describe the word taken which include in adverb. Sekian presentasi dari kelompok kami. Apabila ada kurang lebihnya, kami mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.